Hello students, welcome to my third video, lesson number 1, An Astrologer's Day, written by R.K. Narayan. So in this video, first of all, we are going to solve our ice-breaking questions. Now next question we are going. There are certain unreasonable beliefs among people. Living in our society, certain common events are linked with superstition. Right, what they say, there are certain unreasonable belief among the people. मीन्स पीपल्स के अंदर क्या रहता है, विदाउट रीजन ऐसा बिलीव रहता है. जो हमारे सोसाइटी में लोग रहते हैं उनके अंदर विदाउट रीजन, विदाउट एनी रीजन दे हैव द बिलीव, विश्वास करते हैं. सर्टेन कॉमन इवेंट मीन्स सम कॉमन इवेंट्स वॉट एवर हैपनिंग विद अस, ऑन दैट कॉमन इवेंट दे हैविंग द belief. What certain common event are linked with the superstition, and that what they again I explain, there is what lot of people are over there, they having some belief in what common events without any reason, don't know what is the reason behind that, then also they are believing on that, and that things what we can say, we say that things what superstition means अंधविश्वास करते हैं. So list such event, discuss the superstition linked with them. So what the writer would say कि जो common peoples रहते हैं, वो जो जीवन में common बातें होती हैं, on that they are believing, that we can say what उन event के ऊपर, उन काम के ऊपर they are believing, and that this is what, that is the superstition means अंधविश्वास. That is the अंधविश्वास. In this lecture I am using some Hindi words because our all students are not totally from the English medium, many more are from vernacular medium. That's why I try to explain these questions and all thing in Hindi language also. Try, and this thing I think you can understand. I tried my best level, try to translate on my best level. Okay, list such event, discuss the superstition linked with them. So what the writer, what the questioner as a question what said, whatever the events that is listed in the superstition, that events name you have to say. And again next question also they say, and means of their erection means this superstition, people cannot be believe on that. So for that whatever you remedy you can do. Reduction means on superstitions remedy. So here what given first is what already given, a cat crossing your path. Okay, when we are going anywhere or our dad is going to the office, that time with black cat या cat रास्ता काट देती है, क्या cat will move from that side. So mama say okay, don't go, this is not a good sign, this is what, this is bad sign. So they are not allowed to us. Or suppose our exam is over there, so we are going, and what cat passes from over there. So our mama say wait 5 minutes, drink water, and then you can go for the exam. नहीं तो तेरा पेपर अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. Second what, to kill cat. So we can see what, to kill cat. Sometimes what happen, cat is over there by mistake, they come to what, drink a milk or anything they want, try to harm. Suppose small babies over there, they try to harm, we can beat the cat. And what, maybe by chance, nobody want to kill any animal, but गलती से by mistake that cat killed. So this is the very big superstition. And you already studies I think in 9th or 10th standard Hindi textbook, there is what, when the somebody is who killed the cat, and she have to what, Pandit ji what say, you have to make a what, gold cat, सोने का बिल्ली बनाओ, then only what, you are able to go out of this path or sin. So this is also superstition, to kill the cat. And next is what, to touch tree at night. What the superstition is over there, we are not allowed to touch the tree at night. When we touch the tree at night, it is what, it is bad for us, means हम लोग के साथ कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा. So we should not. Actually what, in scientific reason also there is, we should not touch the, we should not go under the tree at night, because what, at the night time trees are breathing at what time, at night time they are breathing, they are taking oxygen at that time, they are releasing the carbon dioxide. That's why we are not go to the touch the tree, or we are not we should not sleep or stand down near the tree or down of the tree at a night time. But here is what but the person they are innocent, they don't know knowledge, they are giving what when you are night time you touch the tree, so what ghost will catch you. Next was given two billing toppling leaf sorry doubling left eyes of man or right eyes of woman. Doubling means फड़फड़ाना, आँख फड़फड़ाना. So anybody's what eyes is doubling, that is man. When the man means your dad's left eyes and your mom's is right eyes. When it is something is happening like that, people's having a superstition belief or anything going on. Somebody says woman's right eyes going on, so that time what bad things, or left eyes when it is doubling or blinking we can say, when the doubling, so that time what good, so good sign. And what right eyes women's, that is what bad sign. And what boys means gents or dads. Left eyes means it is bad. A bad sign means something going on bad. When right man's, that is what good sign. And next I given what to cut nails at night. Huh? To cut nail at the night time means at the night time we are not allowed to cut the nail. They say what is bad superstition, कुछ गलत हो जाएगा, don't cut the nail at the night time. Then sweeping home at night. Sweeping हो झाड़ू मारना. Huh? So that is what night time our grandma or all things say. Now in Mumbai we have the what, some each and everybody not having 2 BHK or 3 BHK of big room. So each and every somebody having single room also. They are what preparing food and all thing, and night time they sweeping, sweeping and cleaning, and they keep their bed and they want to sleep. So when they will not sweep, so उधर गंदा रहेगा तो there we can sleep what? No na. But our grandma what they say is at the night time when we sweep our home, so what Lakshmi will not come is we are not able to. Lakshmi will not come. हमारे घर में पैसा नहीं है, घर से पैसा चलेगा. These all thing is our superstition belief. Next I given what to take salt on hand. हाथ से हाथ में नमक लेना means what, if anybody want to give you salt, so they have to give by some instrument, just like a bowl में दो, spoon से दो, हाथ से हाथ में salt देने से what the superstition is over there, जो एक दूसरे के हाथ से हाथ में नमक देता है, they what very good relation, then also they start the fighting to each other. That means our relation going to be bad, and that's why our old people says we should not give the salt by hand to hand. Actually, I think according to me, when we give the salt by hand, so what happened according to scientific reason, how much we clean the hand, we clean our hand with the soap and all things. Then also what happens, some bacteria remains on our hand. When we give with hand, so that bacteria also mixes with them. And next is what salt is what now today we see very small particle, and some what salt will be stick on a hand, and when we very carefully when we are giving others hand, then also it should be what split और नीचे गिर सकता है. So by taking that thing according to me, and this but our grandma says हाथ से में देंगे तो that is the what, that is the good. Very bad things means it is not good. We will fight to each other. Okay, next word given, they says now what precautions or what remedies for the superstition. So I written here way to eradicate the superstition. First one I given what, by keeping scientific attitude. What we keep scientific, वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण. Scientific attitude means वैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण. We keep what, we scientifically we come to know whatever anything happened regarding that, we should have a knowledge. We keep our attitude, हमारा दृष्टिकोण कैसा रखना चाहिए, हमको scientific रखना चाहिए. Next what, by keeping social awareness means whatever things happen regarding that कि ऐसा कुछ good bad नहीं होता है. These things what by general it is open. So हम लोग को क्या करना चाहिए, सामाजिक जागरूकता. हाँ, सामाजिक जागरूकता, हमको समझ में जागरूकता लाना चाहिए. मीन्स अवेयरनेस, भी what develop awareness, we create awareness among the people those are living in a society. Now third one I given what, by organizing the various programs, workshop, seminars, etc. What against the superstition, we can organize वेरियस प्रोग्राम, वर्कशॉप, हम लोग ऐसे काम वर्कशॉप रखना है, लोगों को बुलाना है, सेमिनार रखना है। सेमिनार रखना मतलब बोल के समझाना, वर्कशॉप मतलब वो चीजें करके दिखाना कि ऐसा करने से नथिंग विल बैड हैपन इन आवर लाइफ, सो पीपल कम टू कन्विंस अस, क्योंकि बिना विदाउट एक्टिविटी नो वन बिलीव ऑन यू, बिना काम करके नहीं दिखाएंगे तो कोई हमारे ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करता है. Okay, next one I given by exposing the falsehoods of superstitious people. Now what? Anything happened, somebody say, okay, cross the cat cross kar diya, now your paper is going to be bad. We are going to the exam. So what happened? We should go and we read the paper. When we prepare, definitely we will write odd answers. When we prepare proper, definitely we know the all questions answer, and our paper must be go good and must be we get the good marks. So what? By doing the things कि okay, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. When cat will cross our path or anything, we go, we write, and when the marks is over there, we say you are wrong. Huh? Cat crosses my path, then also I written the paper because I prepared. This is nothing should be in the life. This type nothing happen in our life. So in this way, when we prove that thing, we expose these things. So then only what? This superstition we can what? Remove from our society. Next is what? Through educating people and literating campaign. What? We organize the literacy campaign. And we what? Educate the people. हम लोग को साक्षरता अभियान चलाना चाहिए और we can educate the people. So people come to know कि nothing, superstition is nothing और ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है लाइफ में. So they can't believe on superstition and they live their life very easily. And last one I given what? By showing film, stage show, plays and TV program. What? We create the awareness among the people by showing what? By showing the films. Films means related that films we are by showing. We do the stage shows. On the stage the people are showing shows. Shows means drama and all. Play, we are doing the natak. We play the natak. So that type of play, and so we can dramatize, all student mix and dramatize all things we do. Or on the TV, organize programs are coming against of the what? On TV also what we by showing the show against of the superstition. When we take this type of precaution, or in this way we what? Try to convince the people, try to educate the people, or we give the people scientific attitude, then I think our society will overcome by the what? By the superstition. Now we are going to the what? Till we completed our ice breaking question. Now I start the what? Page number 7, that is brainstorming questions. We go through the brainstorming questions. Okay. Now see brainstorming question. Question number 1. See activity 1. Given below are some description. Discuss them with your partner. Some description, some given downwards, and we have to discuss with your partner and find out one word. How many words? Only one word we find out for each of them. Whatever description given, for that we have to find out. जो भी description दिया है हमको, जो भी explanation दिया, उसके लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? Only one word हमको ढूंढ के लिखना है. One example is given for you. See which one given? First example given. A scientific study of universe and the objects in it, including stars, planet, nebulae and galaxies. Means we are doing the one scientific study, just like we are taking science, we are studying with us computer science, we have the knowledge regarding all things. So that what taking computer we are doing BSc, that we given what degree name, that is BSc with CS. CS we given name what? CS. Same way we are, when we are what scientifically we are studying regarding what? Universe के बारे में जब हम पढ़ाई करते हैं, so that time what? In universe whatever subject is there, we study regarding universe. पूरा ब्रह्मांड, यूनिवर्स मीन्स ब्रह्मांड के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट, वट एवर ऑब्जेक्ट इंक्लूडेड इन द ब्रह्मांड, दैट लाइक व्हाट, क्या क्या उसके अंदर है, दैट इज व्हाट स्टार्स, प्लैनेट, निबले एंड गैलेक्सीज के बारे में जब हम पढ़ते हैं, तो दैट subject what we can say, what we are doing, we are studying regarding what, astronomy. What is, we are studying regarding astronomy. किस चीज की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उसको फैकल्टी को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, एस्ट्रोनॉमी बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट व्हाट, द स्टडी ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्लैनेट, सन, मून एंड स्टार, इन द बिलीफ दैट दीज मूवमेंट कैन have an influence of people's life. What, द स्टडी ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लैनेट, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं राहु केतु, चांद तारे, इन लोग की क्या दशा है, दैट स्टडी व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दैट, in which subject the regarding these things we are studying, what, movement of planet, sun, moon and stars, in which their movement study, in which subject we are studying, and that subject what, that subject name is what, astrology. That subject name is what, astrology. Next we can see a prediction of what will happen in the future, means a prediction, prediction मतलब भविष्यवाणी, ऐसा कोई बताता है कि आगे फ्यूचर में अपने को क्या होगा, अपने फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है, द पर्सन इज रिगार्डिंग दैट, सो दैट व्हाट वी कैन से, दैट पर्सन व्हाट डूइंग, ये हमारे भविष्य के बारे में बता रहा है, ही इज गिविंग द प्रेडिक्शन, दैट व्हाट वी यूज वन वर्ड, that is he is doing what, he is doing the forecast. Next is what, scientific discipline that studies mental state and process and behavior in humans and other animals, means scientific discipline. Where is what, the subject, where is what, scientific discipline उसमें है, that studies mental state, जिसमें हम लोग किसका पढ़ाई करते हैं, mental state and process of behavior in human and other animals, means the subject where we have the scientific discipline, and in that subject what we are studying the mental, related with what we are studying, mental state related, means sometimes we see na, somebody is what, mentally is disabled, we can say the person not able to behave proper, so what we say, he is what, mentally disabled. So same way, the subject where we are studying the behavior of human being and animal regarding their what, regarding their brain, that subject what we can say, we say psychology, psychology. Okay, now understood, I think. Question number 2, we are going to do the what, question number 2, right? In this story we are told that the town hall park was remarkable place, means whatever story we study, which story, an astrologer's day, which is written by R.K. Nair. This story what we studied, what क्या बोला गया इस story में, told that town hall park was remarkable place. This town hall, the park, where the narrow road, where the peoples are what, crowding from morning to evening, that वो जगह पे क्या दिया है, that is a remarkable place, वह बहुत remarkable place है in many ways for the astrologer to build his business. What he say, कि वो जगह बहुत अच्छी है किसके लिए, astrologer को, for what purpose, to build his business. Discuss it in a group and list the exceptional quality of the place. What he say, discuss exceptional quality, मतलब उसकी जो exceptional विशेष quality है, exceptional means विशेष, सबसे हटके, what is the quality, why astrologers thinking this place is good for my building the business, मेरे business को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए ये जगह बहुत अच्छी है, what is the special quality of that place, why astrologer is thinking that way. So first answer already given, a surging crowd. Why? Because there is what, from morning to the night there is a lot of crowd is moving here there. Surging means always crowd is moving over there. Next is what given, availability of resources, that all resources are available there. Astrologer not have to keep these resources, just like all resources is over there. Availability of the resources means what happened, the people, that is what, very remarkable place, people are coming to purchase all things, and astrologer have like that dressing also, and that's why Next is what? There is a groundnut fried vendor is over there. They are going over there. Must be these are the astrologer. And we know village people are very innocent, and old people are too much believing in forecast and all things. And that's why what this is what availability of the resources. Next is what? Suitable light for his business. From there what? He is getting suitable light. Why he had written suitable light for his business? Because that astrologer what? Is a not a born astrologer. वो पैदाइशी astrologer नहीं था. Because of some event he run from her town 2 kilometers. Then he came this village, and afterwards what? Here he started doing astrologer work. And what? He don't know regarding that. So how he can read the books and all things. So that's why what? पूरा लाइट नहीं था, लेकिन थोड़ी लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शंस आता था. And that's why what? That's why that place is very suitable for the astrologer's business. And that's why what he say, that light are very suitable for astrologer, and that's why he is able to do the things. All kind of vendors. There is what? Different type of vendors are over there. So what? Each and every people not going to purchase one thing. हम लोग मार्केट जाते हैं तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ खरीदने के लिए नहीं जाते, तो अलग अलग चीज़ें खरीदने के लिए जाते हैं. तो so what happen? When the vendors are different type of people are coming, they having different type of problems. So each and everybody want regarding their problem solution. So where they have to go? Olden day they are going to the astrology, and that's why what? This is the very good for the astrology. And what? Innocent villagers. On that place who is coming? On that place the person. Which persons are coming? Innocent villagers are coming. The villagers जो वो सीधे साधे काम वाले रहते हैं, वो लोग वहाँ पर आते हैं, उसके बारे में जानकारी अर्जित करते हैं. Right? Okay, next question. We go to the next question. The astrologer never opened his mouth till the other had spoken. Till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. Discuss the reason behind his act. What he says? He says astrologer what? Never open his mouth. Astrologer के पास जब कोई जाता है, this astrologer not a born astrologer. बचपन से वो astrologer नहीं था. He run away and then he become astrologer. So he is why? The astrologer के पास जब कोई आता है तो he is not opening his mouth. First what he listen? That person वो परेशान है, वो बोलते जाता है. When 10 minutes he listen their all problems. Then afterwards he open. So here question what arises? Why this activity? He is not opening his mouth. Only he is listening 10 minutes the people, innocent people's problem. So answer is what given? First point is given over there. What? He is good at reading the peoples. Why? He had the what? He got experience. By the reading, he is very good to read the face of the people, right? And next one, so I give an answer next. He need feedback to guess. What he need the feedback to guess? When the people, 10-minute people, they give their problem and all thing. Is what he had a lot of experience. बहुत दिनों से वो astrologer है, सबकी बातों को सुनता है, तो उसको experience हो गया है कि ऐसे ऐसे problem सबको बताएंगे तो वहाँ पर मुझे क्या answer देना है. And that's why he is waiting 10 minutes. He is not opening mouth. He is listening the people's problem. How many minutes? Minimum 10 minutes. Next he got his prediction is based on the guesswork. What? He don't know regarding. He is not about Pandiji, or he is not having the knowledge regarding that subject. So that's why what? So whatever prediction means forecast means भविष्यवाणी. वो किसके ऊपर करता है कि whatever the peoples are लोग आते हैं उसके साथ, peoples sit front of him and they give their problems. तो उन प्रॉब्लम को सुनता है, परेशानियों को सुनता है, तो regarding that what he is guessing the answer. ये प्रॉब्लम है तो इस पे मैं क्या आंसर दूंगा, तो people will not convince with me. They feel astrologer is telling me right. So his work is going on what basis? He is guessing and giving answer, and that's why what he wait for 10 minutes. Next reason is what? He is an accidental astrologer. He is not a professional astrologer. What? Any accident happen in his life? Okay. एस्ट्रोलॉजर की लाइफ में एक एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, जिसके वजह से वो क्या, ही रन फ्रॉम हिज विलेज, अपने गांव से भाग के 2 किलोमीटर दूर दूसरे गांव में आया, वहाँ रहा, वहाँ शादी किया, और उसके बाद वो क्या हो गया, अपना डेकोरेशन करता फेस का, और यहाँ पर वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर बन गया। और इस वजह से क्या है, उसको एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं था, बट ही बिकम्स एस्ट्रोलॉजर, उसने उस प्रोफेशन को अडॉप्ट किया। And because of that, first of all, he listened the, or he first of all he did not speak anything. He listened the problem of the people, near about 10, minimum 10 minutes. Okay. Next question is what A21. This is what activity. The tactics used by the astrologer on the earth, his wages are. हाँ? जो टैक्टिक, जो आइडियाज यूज करते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजर, क्या के लिए, द टैक्टिक यूज बाय एस्ट्रोलॉजर टू अर्न करना, कमाना, हाँ, अपना पैसा कमाने के लिए। योर डैड इज गोइंग टू ऑफिस टू अर्न द मनी, देन दे ब्रिंग द मनी, देन ओनली यू आर hearing what they earn the money, they doing the hard work, they get the salary. Salary getting means earning the money, and this is the what, that salary is the what, wage of your dad, and by the wage your dad running your house, they fulfilling your needs, your wishes, right? So what here also they given what tactic used by the astrologer, कौन सी आइडिया यूज करता था, काय के लिए, अपनी wages earn करने। तो ही वॉट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट ही डन, एनालाइज द ह्यूमन ट्रबल। सबसे पहले क्या करता है वो, कि एनालाइज करता है, ढूंढ निकालता है व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन। देन व्हाट इज एनालाइज द केस वर्क, कि गेस करता है क्या काम करता है ये, तो इसके पीछे बस क्या बोलो, क्या काम करता है, गेस करता है कि कौन सा काम करता है, his own experience. Then afterwards what, he is what I already told, many more year passes ना, तो वो इतने लोगों से मिल चुका है, तो ही गॉट मेनी मोर एक्सपीरियंस, तो ऐसा ऐसा हुआ है, तो इसके लिए मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए, हिज ओन एक्सपीरियंस, वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस को यूज करता है कि मैं इसको ऐसा बोलूँगा तो ये मेरे से कन्विंस हो जाएगा। सो ही इज यूजिंग व्हाट, दिस टैक्टिक ही इज यूजिंग हिज ओन एक्सपीरियंस, he is using his own experience. Next word given, by getting enough feedback. What he say, by getting enough feedback, 10 minutes he is not speaking anything, and because of that the astrologer he is not speaking anything, 10 minutes he did not speak anything, and because of that what, he get enough feedback, what, that person, वो 10 मिनट के अंदर वो पर्सन अपनी सारी परेशानी बता देता है, और उसके रीजंस भी बता देता है, वो क्योंकि वो परेशान है तो उसको समझ में नहीं आता कि व्हाट ही हैव टू स्पीक फ्रंट ऑफ द एस्ट्रोलॉजर, और उसकी परेशानी में ही एस्ट्रोलॉजर को क्या मिल जाता है, उसके आंसर बताने का तरीका, उसको ट्रिक मिल जाता है कि मैं यहाँ पर इसको क्या उत्तर दूँ। ओके, we come to the next question, my dear children. Next is, an astrologer's appearance help to credit an impression on his clients. Clients complete the following. What he say, an astrologer appearance means उसका गेटअप, जो गेटअप है उससे वो कैसा दिख रहा है, help to credit an impression, जो वो appearance है उसका, जो उसका चेहरा दिख रहा है, that help what, to impress the people, वो पूरा what he is using, already I told, his forehead using what, एस पाउडर लगाता है, उसके ऊपर सिंदूर लगाता है, वर्मिलियन लगाता है, और ऑरेंज कलर का कपड़ा पगड़ी बांधता है, उसके फेस के ऊपर भी वो भभूत लगाता है, और पूरा उसका क्या है, पूरा फेस that is covered with beard and mustache, and only eyes is looking clear. So in this way what, he is looking what for astrologer, और पूरा इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी वो डाल के रखता है, तो उसके वजह से क्या करता है, उसका अपीयरेंस, जब तक अपीयरेंस अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, वी आर गोइंग फॉर द जॉब, सो व्हाट हैपन, यू हैव गुड appearance, the personality should be good, and that's why what, to develop the personality we studied 9th and 10th standard personality development subject PD. So here what, when astrologer का personality दिखेगा कि astrologer, then only the client will go to there. So here what they ask, An astrologer appearance help to credit an impression on his client. Complete the following. Here given what? The turban on his head. The turban. Turban means what? Turban cloths. Orange color cloth is what? Is putting just like वो पगड़ी बांधता है turban color के कपड़े से. And what? Then beard and whiskered. उसके beard and whiskered है. तो वो क्या है? Beard and whiskered. Beard and whiskered. He is using what? He is using beard and whiskered. Resplendent forehead. वो क्या करता है? उस ढेर सारी उसकी beard है और वो क्या beard दाढ़ी और मूछें हैं उसकी ढेर सारी बड़ी बड़ी. And he resplendent forehead. Forehead means already है. Resplendent means decorated. Forehead with S powder. राख लगाता है फिर इसके ऊपर वर्मिलियम में सिंदूर यूज करता है और जिसकी वजह से वो क्या दिख रहा है कि एस्ट्रोलॉजर है ऐसा दिख रहा है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई गिवन? हैविंग डीम लाइट एंड हैविंग लिटिल डार्कनेस. वो जहाँ पे बैठ रहा है देयर इज व्हाट? अब लाइट इज नॉट, ही इज नॉट हैविंग देयर ओन लाइट and their light is what? Very dim. And there is what? Little darkness. थोड़ा अंधेरा है, थोड़ी लाइट आ रही है, थोड़ा अंधेरा है. Why? Because he is not having any knowledge. सिर्फ वो सब रखता है वहाँ पर सब चीजें, जो वहाँ पर सब चीजें वो रखता है, जो चार्ट रखता है, सब रखता है. Actually he also don't know what is the meaning of that chart because he is not born astrologer. And that's why what? Palmyra and all thing, what is over there? Palmyra mystic and all thing. What is there all thing? He is not able to study that thing. And that's why what? Light में hide हो जा रहा हो कि वो real astrologer है, वो guess करके आंसर बता रहा है. तो these all things beneficial for the astrologer. H what? H mysterious chart. H mysterious charts. He is having chart. चार्ट होता है, ग्रह नक्षत्रों का चार्ट होता है, मिस्टीरियस चार्ट. वो हम भी समझ नहीं पाते हैं. तो दैट चार्ट ही इज हैविंग. सो व्हाट अगेन आई एक्सप्लेन? एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स अपीयरेंस कैसा है? कस्टमर को अपना अपीयरेंस कैसा रखता है कि उसके कस्टमर इम्प्रेस हो जाए. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट ही इज हैविंग, वो क्या किया है? वो उसके क्या है? उसने टर्बन कलर का भी, ही इज हैविंग व्हाट? टर्बन कलर का उसने पगड़ी बांधा अपने हेड पे और टर्बन कपड़े का ऑरेंज कलर की पगड़ी बांध रखी है. he had beard and whisker resplendent forehead. उसकी क्या है? he had the big beard, दाढ़ी मूछें बड़ी बड़ी है. and is what? resplendent their forehead with the S and the sindoor. and what? he is having what? dim light and little bit डार्कनेस. आज जिसकी वजह से उसकी आंखें अंधेरे में चमक रही हैं और जो डेकोरेशन किया है और जो उसका साफा है ऑरेंज कलर का वो चमक रहा है और लुक रहा है. हाँ ये तो है कोई साधु बाबा ही है, ये पक्का भविष्य बता देगा. एंड हिज मिस्टीरियस चार्ट, ही इज हैविंग वन मिस्टीरियस चार्ट कि लोगों को जो समझ में ना आए, दैट टाइप ही इज हैविंग चार्ट. दिस इज देयर अपीयरेंस. सो पीपल विल सा दे इम्प्रेस्ड एंड दे क्राउड टू द व्हाट? एस्ट्रोलॉजर. Now we go to the next question. Read the following sentence and choose the correct one. See, here given multiple choice question is over there. So here the astrologer says that if Nayak does not leave his village again, he would. What he will do? He will, first option what given? Return the money. What he say? The astrologer says that if Nayak does not leave his village again, does not leave his village again, he would return the money, face the danger, go to back home and stop looking for man who tried to kill him, not find a killer. What? Astrologer what is? Yeah, Guru Nanak. Astrologer say na, only what? Here who is their victim? Victim is astrologer only. And astrologer what? He want to save from danger. He want to rescue himself. Right? And that's why वो क्या गुरु नानक को बोलता है कि if you again leave your village, अभी तो अपना गांव छोड़ा आपने और मेरे पास आए, आपको पता चल गया है, अगर आप again, if you leave again your village, so you will be in danger. So better what? You does not leave your village. So which option is there? Face danger. Right? This option is correct option. Next one, see. According to the narrator, the astrologer's success in his profession Age primarily due to what he say. According to the narrator, the astrologer's success in his profession is primarily due to what is how the astrologer narrator what says. Narrator who is that Arkenaran. According to the Arkenaran, astrologer's success is very success in his profession. Why? He is not born astrologer. Even his ancestor also not a his astrologer. So what is there? Is not very lucky person. So why he's become? Because he what many more days he's doing this thing. He started understanding the people, right? So what? No luck, no. The bargain his drives. His appearance, because of his appearance. हमारा appearance अगर पुलिसमैन के जैसा है तो हम पुलिसमैन बन जाएंगे क्या नहीं. हम टीचर रहेंगे, आप स्टूडेंट हैं, आप स्टूडेंट रहेंगे. Why? His appearance is just like astrologer, but what? His understanding of people, because he understands the people's problem, this type of people coming to there, and what answer he had to give. That he had understanding, he had lot of experience, and he had lot of understanding. So which option is correct? This option. His understanding of people. Next, see. The story suggests that the astrologer comment and observation, please people by. What story comments suggest? Story हमें suggest कर रहा है. Astrologer's comment and observation, whatever comment and observation, whatever the astrologer is observing and commenting, and whatever his suggestion giving, that give the people's what? Please means happy करता है, प्रसन्न करता है. Why? First option what given? Promising them success and give fortune. वो प्रॉमिस करता था कि तुमको सक्सेस दिला दूंगा, तुम्हारा लक अच्छा है. नो. प्रोवाइडिंग एज टाइम पासेस टू हैव इट. हाँ, वो टाइम प्रोवाइड करता है. चलो टाइम पास. प्रोविंग एज टाइम पास टू बी ट्रू. व्हाट? वो कहता था कि ऐसे ही टाइम पास होता है, सत्य बोलता था. नो, ही इज नॉट बीइंग ट्रू. व्हाट? फ्लैटरिंग देम और सपोर्टिंग देयर व्यूज. व्हाट इज डूइंग? फ्लैटरिंग देम. उनको कंफ्यूज करता था, अफेंड करता था. Whatever is having problem, that problem what is supposed to confuse करता. और whatever having the peoples have the view कि मुझे ऐसी परेशानी इसके वजह से आ रही है, उसकी वजह से आ रही. on that problem is supporting and confusing the people, and that's why what people say, हाँ ये तो सही है. So they what, and then afterwards he gives suggestion, and that's why what, by the suggestion of astrologer, people become very happy, right? So which option is correct? Third option is correct. Helping them to learn to solve their own problem. No, this is not what is. He is what doing? He is supporting them. A person's view, and he is flattering. पहले उसको डराता है, उसको support करता है. Then afterwards he gives the suggestion. Next is what? D. Guru Nanak consult the astrologer because he want to what? Guru Nanak what consult the astrologer? What he want to know? Guru Nanak, long ago, what happened? This astrologer and Guru Nanak living in a same village, and there is what? This astrologer when young is what? Is playing gamble, is drinking, and at that time what? He passes the knife one person and thrown into the well. Well में गिरा दिया, and he run away from that place. So that person, which person he passes the knife, that person is who? That person is a Guru Nanak. So Guru Nanak astrologer के पास क्यों consult करने क्या? Understand the past? No. Find out who the astrologer is? No. We don't know who is the astrologer actually. Make some money through a bet? No. कि bet लगा रहा है, तू बताएगा तो money दूंगी? No. Next is what? Get the answer to the specific question. Yes, whatever he had the question, that is specific question, this Guru Nanak want answer, and that's why he come to the what? Astrologer. So which option is correct? To get the answer to a specific question. Next is what? Guru Nanak is looking for the man who tried to kill him. Guru Nanak what? Looking for the man. Guru Nanak किसको देखने के लिए आया था? The man who tried to kill him, जिसने उसको मारने की कोशिश की थी. What? Killing to him. What again I'm reading? Guru Nanak is looking for the man who tried to kill him. गुरु नायक किसको देख रहा था? उस आदमी को देख रहा था जिसने उसको मारने की कोशिश की थी. So to take revenge, to get an apology, to demand an explanation, to prove that the man was unsuccessful. वो क्या करने के लिए ढूंढ रहा था? रिवेंज लेने के लिए. यस, ही वांट टू किल ही वांट टू टेक अ रिवेंज. उससे बदला लेना चाहता है. रिवेंज मतलब बदला लेना. गुरु नायक क्यों आया था? वो आया था जिस आदमी ने उसको मारा, ठीक होने के बाद उस आदमी को ढूंढ रहा था, उसे बदला लेना चाहता था. न कि टू गेट एन एपोलॉजी, कि आओ तुम मुझसे माफी मांगो, इसके लिए भी नहीं आया था वो. टू डिमांड एन एक्सप्लेनेशन, ये भी नहीं जानना चाहता था कि तुमने मुझे क्यों नाइफ पास की, ये जानने के लिए नहीं आया था. टू प्रूव दैट द मैन वाज अनसक्सेसफुल, वो प्रूव करने के लिए नहीं आया था कि तुम बहुत अनसक्सेसफुल मैन हो, इसलिए तुमने मुझे देखो मारा, तुम बहुत अनसक्सेसफुल मैन हो. ये सब प्रूफ करने के लिए नहीं आया था. किस लिए आया था? वो एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास आया था उस आदमी के लिए पूछने के लिए. उस आदमी को ढूंढ रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि उससे वो अपना रिवेंज लेना चाहता था. He want to take a revenge. The astrologer remark makes Guru Nayak feel all the following actions. The astrologer's remark, astrologer जो remark कर रहा, make Guru Nayak feel all the following except. Astrologer what? Remarks what? Feel the Guru Nayak all except what? Relief. उसको रिलीफ दे रहा क्या गुरु नानक को? चीजें एस्ट्रोलॉजर के आंसर्स गुरु नानक को रिलीफ दे रहे थे? नो. Suspicious, impressed and disappointed. What did an astrologer remark? Astrologer's remark make Guru Nanak feel all the following except. सब चीजें करा रहा था, सिर्फ एक चीज को ढूंढ के. एस्ट्रोलॉजर जो आंसर दे रहा, गुरु नानक को सर रिलीफ मिल रहा था क्योंकि वो सही से ही बता रहा था. वो गुरु नानक को इम्प्रेस किया. यस, उसको डिसअपॉइंटेड भी किया. सस्पिशियस, वही किसी को छोड़ के जो सस्पिशियस थिंग का कि वही एस्ट्रोलॉजर ही उसका विक्टिम है. दैट इज व्हाट दैट नॉट गोइंग टू बी. गुरु नानक कम टू नो अनदर ऑल थिंग. एस्ट्रोलॉजर के जो वर्क्स थे, जो रिमार्क कर रहा था, एस्ट्रोलॉजर रिमार्क मेक्स गुड. एस्ट्रोलॉजर के सारे रिमार्क गुरु नानक को क्या फील करा रहे थे? उसको रिलीफ दे रहे थे. उसने बोला वो आदमी मर गया 4 महीने पहले, सो चलो कैसे मर गया, ऑल थिंग यू नो, ओके रिलीफ. चलो उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया, उसको बुरी मौत मिली. एस्ट्रोलॉजर को जब उसने नाम, एस्ट्रोलॉजर ने जब उसका नाम लिया, ऐसा ऐसा तुम्हारे साथ हुआ है, वो डिसअपॉइंट हो गया. अरे इसको कैसे मारा? देन ही टेकन हिज नेम, देन ही इम्प्रेस्ड. ओह, ही इज अ रियल एस्ट्रोलॉजर. बट ओनली सस्पिशियस थिंग क्या था? द पर्सन हु पासेस द नाइफ, दैट पर्सन नॉट वन, दैट इज ओनली वन द astrologer. Next answer. None other person, that is only one the astrologer. Next is what? Reactions of the astrologer's wife to his new suggest that she. What? जब भी astrologer आता है रिटर्न होके at night time 12 o'clock. What? Is very punctual, is going midday and he came that day what? After midnight. So what astrologer's wife, whatever reaction of astrologer's wife to his news suggest that astrologer's wife what reaction क्या था? astrologer wife was unaware of his past, has been worried about his safety, has known him since he was young, is concerned about her future with him. What? When astrologer's wife come to know Guru Nanak was one young, he is a drunker, he is a gambler, he passes knife through one person. These all things when the Guru Nanak says his wife, she is what? She is not worried about the astrologer's safety. She is not. She has known him since he was no. She don't know from young time this Guru Nanak. After marriage, she know na. She is not concerned about his future also, or her future, or Guru Nanak future. She unaware of his part. What? She is not aware. She is unaware means she don't know regarding the past, and that's why what? When she know he is a murderer, she can marry with the astrologer. No, na. She is unaware regarding his past. So option 1 is correct. Okay children, remaining questions answer we will do in next lecture.